snowing really good right now.
So
Here's what I wanted to show you guys.
So good that there's actually a news crew over there in the corner.
They've been waiting for the snow. It just started snowing.
Every other time we kept walking out, it stopped. So this is our, need goggles.
Holy moly. Here's the winter storm.
I keep getting pelted in the eyeballs.
Oh man, me too. Oh my God, baby. Hello.
Hi.
You're all pelted too.
It's gonna be hard to eat pizza outside. So we're going to, what's it called?
Base Camp Pizza?
Base Camp Pizza, and there's no indoor dining. So we're gonna have to eat pizza out in the blizzard.
Holy moly, guys. Well, I wanted to show you, and here it is. I think visibility is like maybe a half a mile. We're almost to Heavenly, and I'll show you when we get there. It's coming down. It's dumping. It's like you need goggles to walk around.
Yeah, it's hard to see. It'll be easier going down because the wind's going the other way.
Yeah, as you see, there's nobody here.
Well,
Here's Heavenly Village during a blizzard. Completely, almost emptied.
people usually skiing or snowboarding.
How you doing?
Little vecino will tell you YouTube that when I take that out because we didn't have permission.
It's dumping. Oh my gosh, baby.
Wow.
I hope the pizza's worth it.
Yeah, I know, right? Better be some good pizza.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look. Look at my hat. Oh my gosh.
All day.
Yeah, the gondolas are not running. Heavenly is open. You just gotta take it to the base camp. Maybe they'll take a bus, or they'll take you on a bus over there.
I have to buy a winter jacket here.
You got it. I'll buy you a jacket. What is that? It's a pit. Hey, Cold Stone's open. Heavenly Village looks really nice right now. It's so white. I believe base camp is like right around the corner. Or pizza.
So.
All right. Look how ridiculous I look. There's hair, snow. Look at my hat.
Oh, yeah,
Oh man. Definitely don't go walking around in a blizzard. Or at least if you do, have the right clothes.
You might take your hat off.
Base Camp Pizza. It's a little bit of a wait because of COVID. And it is dumping snow like crazy.
Yeah, just like we said in other videos, right now it's best just to make a reservation so you don't have to wait too long.
Let's get some Starbucks and warm up a bit, baby. So Dave and I are pretty cold, so we're warming up with some hot cocoa and some coffee. So what do you guys think of all the snow? That's scary. I thought a bird ran into me. And this is something you shouldn't do, really? Eat outside during a snowstorm, but Dave and I are going to power through this. What did we decide we're getting?
Pepperoni pizza because I wanted to kind of compare it to the pizza place at the hotel.
So we're at Heavenly Village, and it's coming down pretty bad.
Just stand over here. You see the snow there? You see the snow?
Yeah. See all that?
You look that way. Down the hallway.
But can you see it or you can't see it?
Well, your camera doesn't really do it justice. I'm gonna do it this way. That's good. And your hot beverages get cold really fast out here. Like when I first took a drink, it was so hot. Now I'm guzzling it down. It's pretty easy.
This is the first blizzard of 2021 in South Lake Tahoe. And I'm putting this up so you guys can check it out.
It's my first blizzard ever.
Your first snow ever, baby.
The way they reported on the Weather Channel, you make it seem like stay home, don't leave the house.
It is kind of funny. They've been out there for about 2.5 hours waiting for it to dump. They're now recording for the news. But they were out there since, I want to say 10:30.
Yeah, when we went out the first time. Seems like every time we go outside, it stops snowing. Except for now.
The snow kind of hurts when it hits you.
It really hurts when it hits you right in the eyeball.
But you see the snow going sideways, it's a wind. Light wind. It's supposed to be heavier later. Thank God I have a waterproof phone.
Yeah.
Oh, no wonder my coffee's getting cold. I have it sitting on this barrel. Can you imagine how wonderful it is going to be to snowboard on this weekend or ski this weekend? They're going to have 7 inches of fresh snow, or 7 feet of fresh snow. Skier's paradise for sure.
So we're here at Base Camp Pizza.
Yes, at Heavenly Village.
We were going to eat it out in the snow, but they actually have some outdoor seating. So
Yes, next to a heater. It feels nice in here.
I think the pizza would have just frozen in like 5 minutes.
I think so too.
Then you don't get any cheese pull.
But we'll show you that as soon as it gets here, okay?
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell.
That's right. We're sitting, if you can see, outside, away from the snow, and it's still dumping. Our pizza just arrived. I don't know why my...
Flashes on.
It looks really pretty.
So, what do you think?
It looks pretty good, baby.
Like this, I'd say half of the pizza is the size of the pizza that we got at the Harris. That was $6. This is 14. But see how?
Wow. You weren't expecting hot, huh?
No, everything out here was so cold. So I wouldn't even be able to compare it. Totally different types of pizza. I think you'll like the sauce better on this one.
No, it looks fantastic. Thank you. Wow.
So we just ate just like a couple hours ago, right?
What's that? Yeah. But we really ate a burger. Oh my God, that was the best burger at California Burgers. That flavor, the garlic just lingered in my mouth. The delicious flavor for about a half an hour. It was delicious.
So what are you doing? Yours? Chilies, Parmesan. I think you'll like it. The sauce is better, right?
So much better. If I'm gonna eat pizza, I want it to taste like this. Base Camp Pizza gets 4.5.
Yeah, a lot like
Thousands of reviews. I understand why, it's delicious. Hands down, if it was a verse, this would win.
But if you're stuck in the hotel and you don't want to wander down here, it's still good pizza.
It's a blizzard. We suffered through. It wasn't that long. It's like a quarter of a mile. But you saw how wet I got, right?
Yeah, it's not that bad out there.
This is really good. You want to try it with the peppers?
That's the crust pretty good.
Here's the crunch. It's crunchy.
Yeah, this is a little crunchy. It's not as crunchy as the other pizza. It's still good though. Hey, don't you want to say something?
Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell.
So I'm gonna try Kathy's way with the extra Parmesan and peppers on there. Oh yeah, that is a little spicy.
Yeah, I love it.
Not bad though.
So, Base Camp Pizza uses mozzarella, provolone, fontina, and parmesan on top of their pizzas. That's why it has a better flavor, I believe.
Yeah, I'm sure the other place is just mozzarella.
Yeah. Not bad, baby. I think this one wins. Do you agree?
It's worth walking through a blizzard for.
Hey, that should be our thumbnail. Worth walking through a blizzard for.
But if you do walk through a blizzard, be careful.
Yeah, because you can fall down and then get buried under
Cars
snow.
could run
And,
into you 'cause it's sliding around out there. But yeah,
Just be cautious.
good. Base Camp Pizza.
In Heavenly Village. So we just finished Base Camp Pizza. It's still snowing. And we were doing it versus Tahoe Italian in Harris to Base Camp. It doesn't compare. For me, Base Camp wins hands down.
I mean, I did like the crust though on theirs
At
Harris.
Harris?
but overall the cheese and the sauce is better here.
Yeah, for sure.
So we just got a small 4 slices personal pizza,
$14.
and we took it home because
Back to the room.
back to the room because everything closes at 10. We just wanted to have something to munch on later on after we
Cold pizza's good.
pizza's good. And man, we walked through a blizzard.
Just for you guys.
Well, we hope you like it. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to, oh my goodness, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you guys like all this snow, leave a comment. It's crazy. It's pelting me in the eyeballs. It is nice though, right? So we wanted to show you what Heavenly Village looks like during a winter storm.
The Heavenly Village or Valley?
It's Heavenly Village. This is Heavenly Village shopping area.
And it's,
So-
it's about a 5-minute walk from here to Harris.
Yeah, not bad, right?
We get pretty snowed up. We have to tap
By
all
the time we
snow
get
off.
back, I'm gonna be all white, and I'll show you that when we're there. So, we just got back. Oh my God. What you should not do ever is walk through a blizzard to go get pizza. Because look what happens to you. Oh my gosh. Hey, look at her pizza. Oh.
It's become a frozen pizza, I think.
But it was delicious, you guys. Tried Base Camp Pizza. And,
Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
oh, it's so cool.
I gotta go and take off my tennis shoes. They're wet.
All right, guys. We'll see you on our next venture.